how to add a download button to your Wix website, which is a great way to let your visitors download files, documents, or resources directly from your site. First, go to your Wix website and open the editor. On the left-hand side, click on Add Elements, then select Button from the options. Next, choose the Upload button, which is specifically designed for downloads. After that, browse through the available styles and select your preferred design so it matches your website's look and feel. Once the button is on your page, click to edit it and link it to the file you want your visitors to download, such as a PDF, image, or any other document. You can also customize the text, colors, and size to make it fit seamlessly with your site's design. And that's it. You now have a functional download button ready for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.